Add shortcuts in Google Drive. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and I'm back with new tutorial, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to add shortcuts in Google Drive. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, open up the Google Drive and make sure that you're logged into your account. After that, select a folder and click on three dot icon. From this drop down menu, click on Organize. Then again, click on Add Shortcut. A dialog box will pop up on your interface. Here you can go with the suggested one and select the file right here, or you can also select all locations, then click on all locations. After that, click on My Drive. Then select the another folder. After you select the next folder, click on Add. And now the shortcut is added to My folder. Now if you go to My folder, there you will get a shortcut which will help you to go to this folder that says Images. And that's how you can add a shortcut to your folder. That's all for today's video. I hope this video helped you, and if you're new to our channel, make sure to subscribe and do not forget to like, comment and hit the notification bell icon. Thanks for watching till the end. I will see you on next video.